Hello, 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 hello. Wherever you happen to be on this mesmerizing planet we call Earth, I sincerely hope you are having a splendid day, even night, wherever you be located. Welcome to my channel, all things 3D. In this case, I'm talking about Blender. Today, I'm going to go over something real quick, something that I never knew. But as one of my assistant principals always told me, it may be what's easy for you is hard for someone else, or very difficult for the student. So I just now discovered how to do this today. Our topic using the the shader view. I want to go over where my mouse is at. It's got the viewport, the 3D viewport, but I never knew it was a 3D viewport because it looked different. Got the HDRI image right there. What I want to do right now is move it where my mouse is, because sometimes I've seen the people had that 3D viewport in this little section right here, and they can use the other stuff for more important things. Like for instance, I can get that more space for my nodes, and I can get this top view. Can I make this top view go to my nodes? Ugh, I don't like that. But anyway, I'm just gonna move on. I guess I can bring this down, can I? Anyway, but that's not the topic for today. I'll worry about that some other time. I want to get that 3D viewport right here. I never knew how to do that until a few moments ago. So we go up here to our editor type. You have to be in 3D viewport. Then I have to go all the way over here. I want to put it in the viewport shading, the middle one that look like a little pizza. Then I'm gonna come right here and click on this button right here. What is it called? The shading button. I click on it, and the most important thing, see right now, it involves the world opacity. I wonder why they never did that. Because if they go to that, the world opacity is on 0. We need to take it up a notch. Let me drag it up. And you see right there, zap, and this is done. Now, I don't always have to have it, that large area up here. I can use that area for more of my, like you see, my nodes. And you know, people, when you get good at these nodes, they take up all of your space. So, like I said, I'm still new to nodes, but now I know when I become more and more advanced, I can prioritize how much space I want to give to my nodes. Then I can go right over to my little right side, and I can still see my image right here. It doesn't matter how large it is. So that's a great tip. When you become more and more adept, like I am, at getting using that shader node, I can give the bulk of my space to my nodes. But you see I was clicking around, messing things up. I messed it up, moving around, messed it up, moving around. I might just put it right back into my default setting. Hold on. I'm gonna go back to new, general, don't save. Go back to my shader. This is a good exercise anyway. I'm gonna take my shader. I'm gonna join it up here. I got all that space. Join it over here. Now I got all that for my nose. I'm gonna leave the outlier. I'm gonna adjust the outlier, and I'll leave this the editor type, the file type, whatever it's called. I'll leave that alone because you know you're gonna always need that anyway. So I just come up here, choose 3D viewport, go all the way over to shading, choose viewport shading, the middle one. Click on this, and just adjust your world opacity level. And that's it. See, it's a quick, fast video, but it's something that's going to help us out a lot. Because now, as you can see, I have a vast, roughly 80% of my viewport doesn't designated for my nose. And you all know when you're dealing with nose, when you just even at the beginning level, you always be having to move around and look for to adjust it. Now I have a lot of space for my nose. Thank you for stopping by. Like I said, if you're new, don't stop learning. You keep pushing forward, you'll get better and better. Till the next time, 3D family, peace.